Hey boos! Today I am doing something new. I'm about to start selling masks with my logo on it. Don't worry, y'all. Y'all can't really see, but the masks are in there, washed and dried. These are washed. They are currently drying so that I can put some products in them. But yeah, this is my personal mask. So I just did the measurements using my Cricut. I cut out what I wanted. If you didn't see my new logo, what are you doing? Add me on Instagram at @theRMcollection_. Like, you would have been knew this. You would have been knew this. But yeah, that's my logo. Yeah, I'm breaking out bad, so please excuse the appearance. But I got my sizing down, so now it's time to get this iron-on vinyl in the Cricut machine so that it can get cut. But I'm thinking, like, number one, I turned on the camera because I'm like, I never did this before, and I feel like I should take you guys through this with me, because why not, right? Plus, I miss doing videos with y'all, like, so yeah, we're gonna do that. I think I want to do, so I have 2 different versions. I think I want to do each version in every color. Yeah, because I'm gonna take a poll and I'm gonna post it on Instagram and see, like, which one do you guys like better, so that I can know which ones to sell. But I am relaunching, and the first, actually, let me not spoil the secret. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. That's what I was thinking about too. First, I'm gonna figure out how to do this. Then I'm gonna turn the camera back on, because I think I'm gonna have to do some extra, like, arts and crafts, math, and all of that. Yeah, we'll see. I'll be back. Hey, y'all. Ooh. I know, 2 days later, and I'm finally doing this. Yeah, I was just doing so much for my business the past few days, so I didn't even get to iron on the logos or anything. But let me show y'all what everything's looking like. So this is my mask, like my personal one. I'm about to iron this onto it. I have gold, white, pink, and then the same colors in the other way. So these are the 2 ways that you guys are going to be seeing my logo. But this is the real. Okay, so we're about to do it, y'all. Excuse all the messes. So yeah, I'm just letting this cool off. This looks fire, like, I'm excited. Period. My skin looks good. I wish my tripod didn't break. Like, what am I gonna put you guys on? Alright, I'm about to peel it off. don't know. I gotta fix it, y'all, because the corners were coming up, so I'm fixing it now. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm peeling it. I'm trying to be careful. Wow. And I was trying to not make that happen. Yeah, I messed up the little corner, like it's coming up, but everything else came out fine. I'm about to try to fix it. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can, but it came out nice. I'm proud. I'm happy. Now I'm about to do the second one. This is my mask too, like my personal one. And I'm about to do this design. This one should go by a little quicker because it's a little smaller. Okay. I'm gonna come back when I'm peeling it off. All right, y'all, so I fixed it. It's no longer peeling or coming up. It's flat, baby. Period. Okay. So the other one is done drying. Well, not drying, but cooling off. So I'm gonna try to peel this one. I'm gonna have to fix this one too, because there's a little piece trying to come up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Y'all. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I have his and hers mask. I just did something. Are you kidding me? His and hers. I'm about to flip the camera so y'all can see. Like, these are so cute. I'm gonna have to fix this one. Like I said, it's right there, that little area. But how cute are these? Of course, you can wear any one if you're a guy or a girl. It doesn't matter. But I'm also gonna sell these together as his and her set. I think that is so cute. I'm going grocery shopping today, y'all. I don't know which one to wear. I'm kind of leaning towards this one, but this one is just so bold. I don't know. I'm gonna wear this one first. I'm gonna see if people come up to me and ask me about it. I'm gonna bring business cards too, just in case. Girl, you never know. If they ask where I got the mask from. I'm finally gonna tell y'all how I made these cards so thick. Get this video to 200 likes. 200 likes, and I will tell y'all how I made this card so thick and where I got these stickers from. Yes, they are stickers. So if y'all was guessing it's a sticker, yeah, you're right. It is a sticker. I'm finally gonna tell y'all. But I'm gonna bring these ones because I only have a few more laminated ones left, and I want to put those in my orders that, you know, people actually pay for, because I actually put a lot of work. Like, those take forever to make. That's why I'm so happy I'm getting new business cards and I don't have to do that no more. That just wasn't it. But let me hurry up and fix this. In case any of y'all are wondering how I fixed that one, because it was coming up, the T was pulling up. I searched it on the internet how to fix it, and they told me put a piece of paper and then put your iron on the highest setting and hold it there. I'm gonna put it there for 30 seconds. And this is why Google will always be the best thing ever created on earth. It's not coming up anymore. Yeah, I'm about to try it out for y'all and myself too. I want to see how these look. Okay. Like I said, these are my personal masks. I've been wearing them before I even put these on there. I love the quality. I like how comfortable they are. I wore these on my trip. Like, I've been wearing these for almost a month now, and I love them. So let's see what they look like on. Next time I gotta bring it over a little bit. But yes, I'm smelling like an iron smell, so I'm definitely gonna wash these out and see how they wash. I did wash the masks already, so they're already clean. They just have to be ironed and everything and get the logo on. But since I am smelling the iron, and you have to wash your masks anyways, I might as well test the washing process, see what happens to these, see if my logo and stuff comes up. Hopefully it does not. You know, I just want to see what happens, and I need to take away that smell. You don't want to sell anything that smells like it shouldn't smell. You know what I'm saying? Well, what it should smell like. Ooh, this is it. Yeah, tell me this is not perfect, because it's like in the middle of your face. That's why. This one, like, I like this, but I don't know, y'all. I'm about to show my mom, see what she thinks. Let's see. I'm gonna put both of these on.
Well, you probably chose the United States. Oh, that's very nice. Looks like a gang. Oh, that looks nice.
His and hers.
Okay.
Nah, I'm gonna sew like that.
Oh, like you.
Sorry. Time to show full. In the dark, like.
I know this movie, but why like being in the dark? Like
Shaking my head.
I'm a real life vampire. What don't you people understand? Confusion. Okay.
First one. Second one. I like this one more. Which one do you like?
I like them both.
Which one would you wear?
The first one.
I know. I was gonna sell it. Like, I'm gonna... No, I am.
Oh.
Of course. Everybody has their own preferences. Everybody not as girly and wouldn't want a heart that on their face. But I do. But I was gonna sell it.
Placement. Like, why gotta be right in the middle? I mean, no,
Put on
there's
the
nowhere
side.
else to put it. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's nowhere else to put the heart. Like, you gotta go in the middle. But I don't know.
That's just not you.
Yeah, I don't want a heart.
I was gonna sell them separate, but I was also gonna have them together as his and hers masks. I think that would be so cute. Okay, now I'm about to... First, I'm gonna take a snack break. Then I'm gonna like do my edges and stuff because I'm gonna take pictures or boomerangs for polls for my business. And I don't want to just look like this. You know, I have my lashes done. My eyebrows look decent. I want to do my edges too so that y'all have something to look at. Like, you know, when you advertise your brand... My nose is itchy, y'all. I'm not digging up my nose. When you advertise your brand, you have to put out the best quality. You know, why would I post like this? I mean, my hand isn't going to be there, but y'all know what I'm trying to do. Like, act like the mask is on. Why would I post with my scarf on for my business? That doesn't make sense. Like, I can go outside like this and be like, oh, it's the everyday thing, blah, blah, blah. But when I present it, I want to present it the right way. I want to present it in a way where people are like, oh, that looks mad nice. I need that. Or, ooh, I want that mask just because of the design. Like, you know what I'm saying? And this is only, like, the first 2 masks. There's so much I can do with these. So I already have like a few ideas, especially for the one with the heart because it has so much open space. I love it. That is my baby. But yeah, snack break. I'm gonna eat some crackers and then do my edges. I already told y'all, so I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, so I finished snacking. My hair was in a bun. Go ahead to my other channel. I did my hair real cute and I had a matching outfit and everything. That's why I have this pink in. Check out my other channel, watch that vlog. It's a nail vlog on me getting these nails done. But yeah, that channel is just gonna be my lifestyle. So if you have a problem with the stuff on that page, do not watch it. You feel me? Ooh, it's time for a new wig. When your lace starts to look like this, well, for me personally, that's when I know I need a new hairstyle. Cause sheesh. I hope this don't look weird when I go take the pictures. Like, I do not have time. It's going to. It's going to. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna brush my hair out. I wasn't going to before, but to distract from the edges, because I feel like they're not giving. I know they're not giving. So to distract from the edges, I'm gonna have my hair out. Okay. Ouch, I just scratched myself. Yeah, I'm ready for a new hairstyle. I had this hair in since my birthday. Like, come on now. Y'all know I only wear my hair for a week. Terrible. Alright, let's do this. Oh, I'm pretty. It's the edges though. Like, what is that? Like, what is that? Y'all, I need to do my hair. Okay. Okay. Where you hide that, boy? Where you stay at, boy? Where? Y'all, I drank 2 of these already. My goal is to drink 4 a day. It's just water with lemon juice in it. Like organic lemon juice. Where is... Oh, I'm looking for this so I can wipe my screen. I mean, my camera. I gotta change this piercing. If I want to. I want to change it. Okay. 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 I'm gonna put it this way because that seems to be the only way I can do it. I'm gonna level out my what is this called? I can't think. My head looks funny. But to level out this light, there we go, so that it's directly like on me, close up. And I want to do a 4. I always take my pictures in square, like always. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. Unless somebody else, like, unless it's like a full body picture or whatever. But business wise, it's square. Okay, I think I gotta connect this to the Bluetooth because I have like a button that's connected to my LED light, and I could just press the button. But I think I have to connect it through Bluetooth to actually even do that. Like, y'all could see where the lace even is. It don't make sense. I know. I know. Is this dead or something? Oh, it's off. Wow. It's the slowness for me. All right, y'all, so I got it. I just searched up how to do it on Google. Google knows everything. I'm telling y'all. All right. I might have to move where I am because the background might not be giving. I'm just trying to take mad different pictures, y'all, so that I don't have to do this again. Okay, next. Hopefully I got some good ones. If not, I'm gonna end up having to take them over again anyways, but I'm just hoping. Don't know where we turn. Don't know where we turn. That's my song. So I'm about to get on Instagram and start taking boomerangs. I'm not a big boomerang person, so we'll see how that goes. I want to change my ear piercings. What's today's date? The 10th. I'm about to change them today, actually. I really could change them on the 12th, but I already changed them. Like, these aren't the earrings that they came with when I got it pierced. I already changed it before I left for my birthday, but I want to change it again. So I posted 2 videos on Snap, and then I took 2 boomerangs that I posted on Instagram. Now I'm about to edit these pictures and see. Well, I'm about to edit these pictures and put it together in like a collage type of thing so I can post it and see which one you guys like the most. So if you guys do not have me on Instagram, please follow me at the RM collection _. I'm gonna do polls on there and things like that, and you guys can potentially be the ones who choose my next products. So make sure you follow that account. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back later. Hey y'all, so I guess I'm gonna just add this to the vlog because like my vlog is spread out through days. So I think I'm gonna just upload like a weekly vlog type of thing. But I'm about to label glosses. With these stickers that I made. Ooh. I already labeled the other bin, so I just have this one left. And the ones with the white caps are gonna get white logos. So that's what's happening right here with my Cricut. My Cricut is cutting the white version so it can match the tops. Yeah, I am so mad I broke my tripod. Ooh, I knew that was gonna happen. I'm so mad I broke my tripod because now I be trying to figure out what to put y'all on so y'all can see. Should I put y'all on my ring light? That might work. Why didn't I just do that before? So yeah, I'm about to remove these. I already washed my hands off camera, but I'm gonna put hand sanitizer on as well. Y'all can see my hands are dry right now. I washed them, like I said. Hand sanitizer. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. I feel like it's missing something, so I'm gonna add something to it. But let me not talk. Let me just show y'all. This is what I'll be using to light my phone lens. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna cut a piece. I'm so sorry for the noise, y'all. That is my heater, like the heater for the whole house. That's what that is. This is pink drink. Make sure it's on the right side. noises going on. I'm definitely gonna speed this up though. Yes. I gotta use my tool to fix this. This is what it looks like. Ooh, with my nails though? That's fire. Yeah, that's fire. Period. Pink drink. This gloss has really, really pretty, like, pink. Ooh, you can see it, you can see it. Shimmery pink glitter in it. It is just so pretty. Like, it comes out clear, but with this glitter. And it's like a slight, like when you turn your head and the light is hitting you. Bam! Yeah. This is fire. Hold on. I'm gonna have to take a pic real quick. Y'all gonna watch me take a picture, y'all. Come on. Come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dang. Where y'all going? Okay. Watch me take a picture, y'all. Y'all always ask me how do I take product pictures, and I never really knew how to show y'all, but this is about to be fire. Okay, good. I'm gonna take this, what I use to wipe my camera. And this is an iPhone 11, by the way. It's the purple one. Yes, my hands are ashy. Remember, I washed them and put hand sanitizer. Do not even talk about me in the comments. A little ASMR for you guys. Y'all are annoying. Whoever told me to whisper in those videos, yo. Mad creepy. I can't do that. Okay. I'm taking some with the flash. I don't know if I like these though. Ooh, this is actually nice. That's a cute picture. Yeah, these are I actually like these. I like these ones more with the flash though. Sometimes if you're taking pictures in your hands, you don't even have to move your hand. You could just move the camera. Yeah. Let's get back to business. So I'm gonna put my logo on all of these, but I'm gonna time lapse this because I know it's gonna be mad long and don't nobody got time for that. Nobody. Hey y'all, so this is gonna be the last clip of this video. I'm just gonna be unboxing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packages. 4 of them are boxes, so 5 of them are just regular packages. So I'm gonna just open them in the order that they are sitting on this floor right here. Excuse the background, excuse the mess. The bed is not made up, nothing is done, everything is a mess. So look at it, a dump, but we not here for that, boo-boo. So y'all, I'm so mad. I know exactly what this is, but I'm so mad at the sizing. This is supposed to be a pound, like, bro. And this was like $14, bro. I should have looked at the reviews, but I don't even know if they have like a review with somebody holding it in their hand so I could see. But look at how little this is. I could still make a few things with this, but dang. Dang. Whatever. You live and you learn. Next package. Matter of fact, hold on. I needed my trash can, so I brought it closer to me. This package, like, oh, it's not open. I thought it was open. I was going to say it came like this. Amazon. Don't do that. I'm weak. But they didn't. What is this? What is this? No, this is Blue Mines. Okay, so these are really pretty. These are really pretty. These are some baggies that I got. Like, look at the color though. Is that not gorgeous? Beautiful. So I got that. I got these like iridescent baggies. You can see through these though, they're so cute. And then I got this champagne tissue paper, and it's more of like a brown color. It did not look like this. It did not look like this. Yeah, it did not look like that, so I don't know if I'm gonna return it or what, but I don't like that. This was actually my sister's, but she gave it to me because it was the wrong pink, and I need this pink. So tissue paper. Okay, let's see what's in here. That was mad hard to open just now. Like, I don't get it. Oh. I got some stickers. I don't want to show y'all what it is. I got some stickers though. Fine, I'll show y'all. Alright, that's what y'all getting. Next, I think it's my scissors because those be mad hard to open. I got some more stickers. This one comes with like different sizes. I don't know why I'm talking like that, y'all. This one comes with different sizes though, so there's really, really tiny ones too. Oh, I thought I could show y'all, but I can't. Yeah, and I don't feel like taking these out. So yeah, I just got some stickers. First box. I got two packs of my silver top spray bottles. Let's see what else I got. My new dropper bottles came in. They are so cute, y'all. Like, literally. I can't wait till I see everything for this restock. Oh my gosh. And this rebrand is everything. Let me lift this up. Yeah, this rebrand is everything. I'm loving how everything is coming out. Everything is looking so cute. So, I can't wait to finally show y'all. I'm just putting these in my to wash or to be washed bin so that I can wash these immediately when I wake up. Get these clean. Y'all, this bump in the middle, like, what is that? Why are you here? What are you doing? What do you want? Like, who invited you? Why do you feel comfortable enough to reside right there? Like, bro. So I got 2 packs of those. The other pack is right here. It comes in a pack of 12. So I have 24 now. Alright, in this next box, I got some new lip gloss tubes. These are going to be my new tubes. They just fit my theme so much. They have this rose gold top. Like, how beautiful. And ignore my fingers. I know they look ashy. That's because they are ashy. Very much so. I forgot to put on lotion after I wash my hands. So, we're dealing with ashy hands. I have some bottles for my face washes. These are what my face wash bottles look like. So, yeah, I had to re-up on those. I got these baggies. I got some new poly mailers. I got some more of the eye and lip masks that I sell on my site. I think they're only like $2 each. And they really work. My mom loves them and I love them too. Like, my eyes will be so puffy and then I'll put on the eye mask for 30 minutes. Boom. No puff. The lip mask is more for moisture. So if you have like really dry, oh my gosh, if you have like really dry or cracked lips, then the lip mask is really for you. Okay. I got this. This is a secret. It's a surprise. Stay tuned. More bottles. These 2 packages were in there. I'm assuming they are the same thing. I mean, ooh, my face. I could read it, but I'm not going to. We're just going to pull it out. See? Yeah, these are the same thing. Just these. Let me take it out. It's just these black rollerball bottles. And the ball part is actually black too. I like how they put them in these bubble bags because I can actually use these. They didn't really use them for real. Like, they didn't take off this white piece to make it thick. So I could reuse that. See, like, I like packaging like that. Like, reusable packaging. I like that. And then I got these Kit Kats. These are the Kit Kats that will be going in every purchase. So if you shop with me, you will be getting a strawberry cream Kit Kat. I can't wait to try one of these myself, actually. Like, I've been watching YouTube reviews on this chocolate before I bought it because I wanted to make sure, like, it was liked by the majority before wow. I wanted to make sure it was liked by the majority before I went and grabbed this. So, yeah, but I can't wait to try it myself. I think I'm going to try it tomorrow because it's too late now. But yeah, on to the next box. This box has 2 things. My eye itches. Okay, first thing is this. It's just a tape roller. It is a humongous tape roller. Definitely needed this. I forgot I even ordered that, but yes, I'm so excited. Oh, and I know what this is, because I just read the little sticker on the outside. You know how you order something from Amazon, but each thing will have a sticker with the name of what you got on it is. Yeah. So my Canon photo printer ran out of ink, and turns out I had no more paper either, so I had to order more paper and ink. So that's what this is. And if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know that I use my photo printer to print my thank you cards. But if you haven't been watching me for a while, now you know. If you want to know more details about that, please check out my how to make thank you cards start to finish video. It will be in my business journey playlist or something like that, my business playlist. It will be right there. I got some gloves because I ran out of gloves, and I had pink gloves too, and I ran out of those pink gloves, so now I don't have them no more. I have another surprise. Stay tuned. Dang, how many baggies did I get? These are super pretty. These are super pretty. These, like, can y'all see? Like, oh my gosh, these are super pretty. I have like a metallic-y type of layer. Y'all, it's so hard to explain, but these are so pretty. Order from my shop and you will get to see it in person. Those are so cute. Then I got some envelopes. I got some little bags. Then I got some tissue paper. Like, dang, I got a lot of tissue paper now because my sister gave me her pack too. But yeah, if you like this vlog, if you like this weekly vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment down below if you liked this type of video, if you like to see more. Any questions, please feel free to ask. I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that you guys subscribe. I hope that you guys turn on your bell so that you get notified every time that I post. And I hope that you guys follow me on Instagram at the @rmcollection_ so that you don't miss an update on a new restock. Okay, period. Thank you, lovelies, for tuning in. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. See y'all later. Hey y'all, I'm back. So it is the next day. And I was, first let me fix my necklace, but I was upstairs cooking breakfast and I got the notification that my business cards arrived. Baby, Vistaprint, is that you? So this is going to be the last clip. This is going to be the last clip of this video. But yeah, oh gosh, y'all, I'm so excited about these because these are different. Like, oh, y'all are gonna see. I never got this kind of card before. I never got this type of anything, so we are going to see. I am so nervous, y'all. This is what it looks like. I am so nervous. It says created by you, hashtag made with Vistaprint, period. I am nervous. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and cap to y'all. All right. Okay, I'm opening it. All right, y'all. Okay. Oh. Okay. So I ordered 500. Well, I ordered 250, but you know how they be trying to get you to spend more money, so I did. Ooh. This is cute. This is what the card looks like. It's matte, and then this part, like my logo, is shiny. And then this is the back. It's not that thick. Like, cause I I ordered these cards really thick. I ordered the thickest that I could get them. I don't know which one that is. I don't know what the name is. Cause I know you guys are gonna ask, but I got the thickest one that I could get, and it's actually not that thick. Yes, this is so cute. That is so cute to me. And then I have my, they charge you extra to round your corners, and baby, I was not doing that. So I have my corner puncher. Let's see what the small looks like. First of all, I know my sister did not break this. I know my sister did not break this. I know she did not break this. Bro. Okay. So I just rounded the corner. That's cute, but let me see what the medium do. I like the medium. I like the medium a lot. So I'm gonna make all of these rounded. And this is my business card. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. So this is my previous business card to the new business card. Bow, bow. I'm changing the pink, everything. So this is it now. I'm going to throw this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I think I'm gonna just give these out like in person type of thing, and these are gonna be my online purchases. That's my new logo, the RMC, the Remind collection. Then I just have my email up there, my YouTube, my Instagram, and the website, and then the operation hours and what we are up top, and that's just one period. So yes, I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous, but I knew they was gonna come out cute. And I changed my design at the last minute. And Vistaprint, I love their customer service. That's one thing I will never take away from Vistaprint, is their customer service is A1. I already uploaded a design, and I didn't want that design no more, so I called to try to like change it, and they helped me quick and easy, so fast. And it still came on the same day that it was supposed to come on. Like, first it changed to the 17th or the 18th, but originally it was supposed to be the 16th, and today is the 16th. So I didn't think these were gonna come today. I thought they were gonna come like tomorrow, but they came on the original date. So I was like, oh, period. Yes, I think this is so cute. I love the matte with the gloss. I just super love that. Yes, I love this for us. I love this. In my next vlog, I'm gonna make my thank you cards. I was gonna show you guys my thank you cards. I think I already did show you my thank you cards though in this vlog. I don't know, but in any event, I'm gonna show y'all my thank you cards in the next video. So make sure that you guys watch that next video. I'm gonna basically be like fake packing in order. I can't wait. I just want to see how everything looks together packaging wise, you know. So yeah, but that was for real the end of the video this time, for real. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell so that you get notified every single time that I post. Period. Any questions, comment them down below. Anything, like any concerns, anything, comment it down below. Love you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. And stay great.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I show my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on with him.